Hello, Radical Pops. I'm your heavy metal Funko guy. And today I want to talk to you about what I am going to be unboxing. This is going to be a pop in a box and a mystery grail. So the way pop in a box works is that you will get, they have subscriptions available at a few different tiers. Their monthly boxes consist of, exclusives or like Disney, Harry Potter, Star Wars. So you subscribe to a monthly subscription, they send you 2 pops, and when they email you, they tell you what pops they're sending you. It shows you which one they sent. So I haven't been reading the emails, and I have one in today. I'm waiting for the other one to come in. We'll do it another time. So I also have from May 1st 2 Mystery Grail boxes. Obviously we'll do the pop in a box first. And I pay for the subscription with the exclusives. So this will be an exclusive pop. No idea what it'll be exclusive to. I don't know if it's a pop in a box exclusive or if they have different store exclusives. You thumbs up or thumbs down what you like and what you don't like, and they're supposed to send you what you like. And we're going to find out what the first one is. I'll show you first because I'll be able to see. What do we get? Oh, it's backwards. What do we get? Oh, we got Wanda. Nice, that's a good looking pop right there. Let's see. Let's do a 360 on this guy. On her, really. Let's see here. Yeah, she's a good looking pop. We'll have to look up some PPG value here in a moment. Yeah, I'm happy with that one. Definitely happy. That's a good looking pop. Glows in the dark. I'll take it. I'll take it. Alright. Let's get to that next one here. Well, we got this Mystery Grail box. Alright. I'm excited. This is my first Mystery Grail box. I never ordered before. They are $15 plus $4 shipped. So I bought 2. Alright. Boxes and boxes. Now, every Sunday at 3 o'clock these go on sale and they go fast. So if you get one, you're pretty lucky to get one. I got 2 and I'm pretty excited. Let's crack it open. I ain't gonna waste no time. There would be this little scratch off in here and some candy. Alright, let's see. Did we get a Grail? What do we get? Oh, Mayor Cheeseburger. I don't think that's a very good one at all. Mayor Cheeseburger. And of course we got our scratch off card. Do that last. What's up, Mayor Cheeseburger? I don't know. That can't be that great. We'll see. And we got some Tootsie Pops today. Some Tootsie Rolls. Alright. We got another swinging. Let's do it. Yeah, with Mystery Grail, you're not guaranteed your value back. You're just guaranteed a pop. So you could get a $5 pop or you can get a $500 pop. It's all luck of the draw. So let's take our second swing in. Alright. Did we hit a Grail? Tell me we hit one. Oh, no GRAIL. And matter of fact, that's a giant fail. Oh, man. What do I do with that? Alright, well. I don't know. PPG value? Jeesh. Let's find out, huh? Yeah, guys, I don't know if we won this at all. Matter of fact, I think the Wanda's probably the best one. We ought to might as well take this pop protector and put it on that Wanda. So, let's find out PPG. Let's see, I paid $30 for the 2 boxes. I don't see $30 here, so let's find out. First one. Well, actually, Wanda was the first one. I think that's the best one. We'll save her for last. So LeBron James. I don't know. Let's see. Get it to scan. I don't know. Get it to scan. Scan. Bleep. Coming in at $14. If somebody will pay $14 for that. Second one. We'll go with the Mayor McCheese. McDonald's. I don't even eat McDonald's. Coming in at $13. Barely broke even if you can get that out of those. We'll see. And then the Wanda. I'm quite excited about the Wanda. Wanda. Coming in. Ooh. It's a little bit, that's coming in at $39. Oh, well, I don't know. What's up with the 30? That's pretty good value. That paid for the second pop in a box that's coming in. Is free off that one. Like, I'm definitely going to be keeping my pop in a box subscription. I like the exclusive ones. If you thumbs up the ones you want, you'll get the ones you want. Let's check off his scratch-offs. First one, if you can see it, 200 there. Second one, come on, something good, something good, something good. And another 200. So, I guess for a first video, I want to thank you for stopping. And if you made it this far, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you again. Heavy Metal Funko Guy. Later.